guys, we've got new ironing board. So prior to that, we've got this laundry room here, and we've got this space. So we usually iron our clothes here, but we decided to buy a proper ironing board. We are washing. So we usually come here to iron. After washing, dry, and we come here to iron. So that's our new ironing board. You can see? So that's a proper one. So let's unwrap it, guys. After unwrapping it, we are going to try it. Here we go, guys. Got our ironing board. It's heat resistant, so don't worry, it's not gonna burn it. So you can keep your iron here. Okay, so let's. Wow. And also this one is good for posture as well. You know, that one is a little bit down. The one in the laundry room is a little bit down. But this one now, the height is okay. So you don't need to bend that much. So you can bring it. Yeah. So if you want it really low, depending on your height, if you want it this way, fine. But for me, this is too low. Yeah. It's perfect. Okay. Let's come. Yeah.